Okay, follow.
Mnyambane na ni mfanyabiashara katika mji huu. Mimi kazi yangu ni ya bodaboda. Leo hii tumeamkia hali ya usuni mkubwa sana. So kufika saa hizi, tafadhali tunahitaji usaidizi, kwa sababu hao vijana wamekuja hadi kwa mafuta ya kobil wakiwa na mapanga hadharani. Walikuja hapa, maaskari wakatoroka, wakaaja wananchi tukikimbishwa na mapanga na hao magaidi.
Ndio soko mwaka mosende speaker, Congress speaker. Anchende tego tena family na ba mindo ga iba kwanire. Number 1 ndete ko condemn egi akore kanalero igente kebesana sabarundi baito babusongo tigato sabo kwabera sabarundi bali barusi guti reflect na usama. Number 1 mutu abere abantu aba bacha kurunsi ko totamanyiti eto bwata abantu kisambuli ibere umuntu mutangani no yotabwati stage umuntu kabere no muntu tutaiti ko bwate machiko ye stage. We stand family ko teba na kero umuntu wikabwati richiko umuntu ndebwensi ogochiko toke town utabwati e code despite ya mangana ichikare itokana okwana ekarambulu lakini wikotu ale code igomine tine kero bwate code no bwate bulu. That's why I think anokona mangana akara because yegendo torate na kerokyo na mangana e code. So tatie town yeto totete na into town yete rekane next abantu bache ka benchmarking igombi yamona sabaralia sogocha.
Moses ndiye wasemanye kenana wakili ondo mo vice chairman wose omukonyi bumunyekero gasumu jito obosongo Kisii municipality. Lero igon committee yake because since we were elected we started for this leadership to move for the order same municipality ya Kisii. I'm still wondering until today bakaliringi within a spread based government, but there's some politicians where at sides bagenda the queen side abana poda chipikipi. Ekero tuachore tuturai. We as human being tuabere to gukora mekutano with our riders within a municipality. Tuakore mekutano na barai bechi sub county chonsi. We have 9 sub counties in Kisii county. Tokamenda Kisii municipality kaba a sub county ya namba, so we have 10 sub counties within the municipalities. Last round siasa ya betenga ya simio whatever and or even to be abe. But the two is arranged with the readers was based upon and we agree. Tokachora chikala chechi reflector. We as the municipality we selected proof. Ata sub counties Zimbabwe watachi reflector chabo chikara chiabo. Lakini as a municipality into as readers, we decided to let us start because it is a capital city ya Kisii County. Tikato chake so tati ngente kebe open aliko chisi. Lakini kia oncho irukia bere siasa. Indiri kantu as borders within the Kisii County was a Kisii municipality. Tora kolege ntekia abantu bande from other counties. Bachi was from outside of Kenya. Bachi benchmarking egento togo kora. Ngotoretere nonye pazi atonyero no haji ya poda within the municipality na konya bana poda beto sotata tengaki. You are a good politician now, you are helping us. Inja just a request abana ba minto totike ko tumekwa we borders tuache kutumiwa vibaya. At the end of the day watu wanaumia. At the end of the day ebinto bya koreka ne bikori. At the end of the day omorembo sareka abantu bare ko kore biashara binde byasinyakire gento gyateno. So please tubuaterane amachingo omogende onde bwensi oranda osipi tubuaterane tochichamo to focus as a development negento tubangete buna bana poda ba Kisii municipality ko sebono. Lastly incheno morembengo sabase municipality yaito I need peace. Abantu bachichamo tubuaterane if there's a problem somewhere kamu toisaranza we solve not a fight.
Abantu mbale babiri bakoibera abantu ototete ko make sure regime ye yo mosque abas make sure ya etete ko make sure na oboyibi bwasirire ti customer chite chikolera twakorere chikesi muna lero igarero mami ntwakore case kya mabuta panoni omuntu ogenda mabuta panoni obekerwa mabuta taka ne tyogenda good lucky CCTV yale ngo ya mubwate code muna akogenda reflect abege tobuya yabwate code ya manage twa report kumuna barai twabwate omuntu twamanyora igonki minute goteba muntu bwate bongo buya nando tete gokore gasi ya boda tago kana gentege twachakire ko implement egentege togokora etogokora neri chikoria national government national government igegoteba tubika amabati abera ase epikipiki erimo ribe motu erinde ribe maega lakini intu twachakire erimo abantu bari abaibi mbatageti tobeke nariko ba warning andonsia semol onya gokore gasi ya boda boda goikobwati richiko rie municipality onya goteta okore guitini municipality Kisii iga goikobwati richiko eketari kende togoteba na tafadhali lazima ufuate sheria ndio tufanye biashara.
Ndugu ya boda boda riders whereby there's no bodo to pay. Toko gende pikipiki tu abapaid through pikipiki. Lakini ndoko gendera kuanjira nanga kila li tuko politicians ba kama close by inside ya bana boda boda baru ana daily basis ya somo choko because there's no any peace as a town. Why? Ntoli bantu beji pikipiki boka toko kole biashara as a municipality. We have many people ba kole biashara as a municipality and we need order and peace. Umongi no choko ni chingeni ai wo moremboy. Umongi no choko ni bikoroto on the friends who is working within the municipality na bana igari na bakende gions. Ai go peace of mind akole biashara ne room inside. Lakini te konyare karanga daily basis politicians they enter as a sector basalie peace as omoremba se town here. Mine as a voter ya Kisii County I want to warn of this leadership. We respect the leadership you have elected, whereby a president, William Samoei Ruto, is our president and we respect him. Every pin we can't harass because that's the president who is in we must respect him. Because we voted for you. Today basis. So that you bring development as a tore. Moto konye, we as riders, moto sukikoru as to another positions. Like now, our riders in Babu are driving races, Babu are in we have not seen even one leader of it elected or go in place got now. I want to hear Baba and Poda back is municipality over the same Yoko by school, the driving school, was Yoko Banacharachi in Swalens. But again, to Toroje daily basis is a fight. We have many people back and forth, so we need the peace, and it's just a request that we need the peace from politicians. And the last three.
Peter, ndoyo gogato, manya kanituna DJ. Ngondo mo chairman yo market, ase municipality ya Busongo. Ege konegi ya korekana asiri tukuria rero, iko kire kebe na ande kebe mono chiguni chigo cha gwitine municipality chiacha gosaria ekirenga konyo tu atebire ngatiga tusari oboyi bora ase municipality. Abantu bagoicha tutamanyeti igoro ye reflector ya blue. Reflector ya blue techeti asobo kibago. Reflector ya blue go yachete asoko siria obo kibago koreta stage chitatekeria ase town na korenta obonge bwa abantu barueta chi municipality ao gocha gosaria omoremba ase town. Serikali enda mone serikali enke asaya abire litukoria rero bari bakorege tendo kerintu omanyete. Because ntomanyete kuru no muchaka no chagete na ndi buna twakora bari bacha kigentokeria ugongo sabe serikali enene batambukiriwe getambukiro kerege kongu na ndege tindi mono ekiagera batusalirio morembe ebiashara biasarikire abantu basieke biashara rero bagendaka no eni ntu abanyene nturakora kende kurumambe asenye ncho chiguni go cheicha chaita abantu na makombe ne mioro abantu bokoritie mioro borie mioro. Ntumanyeti oyo baeta ningo lakini yongo sabe serikali ene ngendre investigation so that omorembo ngendre koba ase municipality yetu. Bia mama.
Mimi naitwa Ilicho Kindo. Mimi ni member kodi 001 daraja moja. Leo asubuhi nimeamuka, nimekuja kazi kama tulivyoambiwa na machamani wetu tuweke hizi reflector. Ukiona hapa nyuma yangu kuna namba yangu ya stage hapa nyuma. Sasa hii kodi ilikuwa inatusaidia. Kuna hapo nyuma tulikuwa tunaipigwa masimu, unapepa kama ni customer late hivi, anaenda na kudanganya na kuambia hebu nipe simu nimulikie nione kama pikipiki yangu imeharibika. Katika ile hali ya kumsaidia angalie, unapata ametoroka na hiyo simu yako. So hii kodi tulikuwa tumeleta kwa ajili wewe kama customer umepepwa kutoka nyuma, unaona mtu amenipepa ni namba 56. Sasa hiyo namba 56 hata kama akikukosea ama akichukua kitu yako ama akichukua change yako itakuwa rahisi, unakuja mpaka kwa ofisi unasema ilikuwa nimepepa na rider namba 56. So kwa lile chambo limefanyika leo, hatutafurahi na hilo chambo, na kama kuna watu waliingia katikati kupanga hiyo maneno, Mungu atawasamea. Haya, asante.
Asamari tango ko Gatembo Hesbon erinde no tieno ngorwa stage ya St Jude inde spokesman. Ritukoria rero ntorago kibu number 1 amang'ana twarorire noboke bago ase eng'encho ekero oyo abaminto bakobwatu babegete chi reflector chapulu bakobwatu barusibu chiasambu is not good. Eke na egento eserikali ebwanete goteka step ebwa arrest y'abantu aba. Jambo la kwanza abantu aba ebamanyakaine babwatu sanity erorekana ase town intruders n'abaibi aba bakocha aba number 1 abantu abagokana chi reflector anabantu batataiti obamo n'obwasiore ekero kana ekodi ase town eminute ng'egento nkere hidden otataiti kemanyekane igo tokosaba serikali ebwatane n'echi chairman chaito moso chairman yaito Danfas kibagobo bong'ete gose bokorokane town iga gochigosira yamon ekerenga mono bagokana reflector mbataiti code blue reflector saa zingine bakoranga nge reflect sometimes nge nanire ki by force no every county was a sub county nebwate kala ye reflector yae. I think again tobacco buni monoga ne code they don't want to see a code as a reflect yaito igobono ekorokinga bagochikoiba gose obokurumio bakonya gokora obokobo kensa ngochi bali kumanyekana ekina kibatataiti korora mono.
Tunaomba tafadhali chifu wetu Silvana Siosoro seneta Onyonka MP Nyaribari Chache Sairi Chanda our women rap Mama County Baya Ndoto ako wapi atusaidie.